it's not funny anymore because, you know, I don't even like to be naked at home in my shower.
So it was okay for me a minute ago.
Well, but it's on your resume, you know what I mean? If you want me to blurb you a novel, I can do that.
So much for power and control, big guy. Get up there.
All right, I'm sorry.
There you go.
Sexual animal, eat you like a cannibal, cram full of energy. I'm inflammable, yeah. I finish my beer, so come here and get nice while I lick your ear. Put your legs over there and kinda swing on a chair. I swear you look wicked with your panties in your hair.
Cheering for you. You're doing a great job.
Everyone in here is looking at your ass.